Den 24 horas su cobertura aqui for the Miami Beach Convention Center durante the Sea Trade Conference, onde a conferência mais grande do mundo turístico crucero, onde com mais de 3.000 pessoas a atender. Ahora sucede algo mais especial mesmo. Nos duche isla Aruba, a rainha é honor de receber bonita award da companhia Aquila. Aquila é uma companhia renombrada para anos de uma training em diferentes países para equipar pessoas para dar melhor serviço, especialmente na área de crucero. No momento que destino sobresalir, nanta duna award na destino aqui, viaja aqui, aqui, ela queda de nome de Aruba. Presente tabata Aruba Tourism Authority, Aruba Ports Authority e também Minister de Turismo Wendrick Cecilia.
The Aquila Whale Song Award is very special to us at Aquila. We have been giving this award for the last 3 years to destinations who really invest in their destinations and in their people. And one of the destinations that has been doing this consistently for a decade in a very strategic and aligned and consistent way is Aruba. And so we were absolutely honored to have Aruba here today to recognize the work that they've done in their destination in investing in their people, in their product, and really aligning what they're doing with their low impact, high value strategies to make sure their whole destination is aligned to raise the level of excellence in Aruba in a very sustainable way.
And what is really, really amazing, what really makes Aruba stand out is really how intentional your journey has been. You've been very intentional and strategic with every decision you've made into investing not only in infrastructure but in your people, and you have been embracing sustainability in a way that we've truly never seen that before. It has not just been about training, you really embraced it in a way that it's a way you work, the way you do things, the way you deliver experiences. So we are truly amazed and super happy to be celebrating today with you.
We're very honored to be able to be awarded with such an award. It's a recognition that at the heart of tourism and hospitality is our people, basically. So this is a recognition that of Aruba valuing that aspect and basically investing also in our people. And beautifully mentioned, it is about working together with Aquila to instill a heightened level of awareness of sustainability and practices amongst partners, private sector partners, but I must say also public sector partners, NGOs. And the beauty of this program and the way we do it in Aruba, and I'm so proud of the team working on this year in, year out. The way we do it is that we offer trainings on an annual basis for free of charge. So it's a demonstration of how you invest tourism monies coming in, whether it be through cruise tourism or stay-over tourism. It's a way to invest the money in a way that we could not argue any way other than a money well spent, basically. So thank you. The other thing that I wanted to add also is that the programs and the trainings focus on sustainability, but also on level of service, also on destination development, and it provides practical tools, but also I think a sense of pride and a sense of leadership for those who follow the training.
This is my first Sea Trade Conference, so it is a unique experience, and receiving this award, because Aruba is receiving this award, truly brings out a sense of pride in us. And I think my presence here today as a Minister of Tourism, but also on behalf of the government of Aruba, reaffirms our commitment to the cruise tourism industry. It has been and is a blessing for Aruba. Cruise tourism is embedded in our economic structure, and this is something that we truly appreciate. So Beth, Ms. Paige, Adam, Amber, Melanie, thank you for loving Aruba. Thank you for your commitment to Aruba as well, because I can see the love and the passion you guys have for Aruba. I think you guys love Aruba as much as we do, and we truly appreciate it. And Aruba is our home, as the ATA and the APA always communicate towards our guests coming to our island. Aruba is our home, and we are family. So I would like to mention that we are like a family, and we truly appreciate the efforts you guys make to make Aruba excel. Because if there's an asset that we truly appreciate, is our people. So providing the training, the instruments for them to excel in what they do, it's something that we truly appreciate. Because our people are eager to learn, our people, they have that hospitality embedded in them. It's part of our DNA, and providing them with the right training, guidance, and instrument, they can excel in what they do. And that is contributing also to the guest experience. What they receive, they give back in excellency, in service they provide to the guests that come to our island. In the speeches, something that I would like to highlight, that the success of tourism of Aruba, that is based on consistency. And the consistency, that is commitment. Commitment from the minister, from the government of Aruba, but also commitment from Aruba Tourism Authority or CEO Ronella Cruz, commitment from Aruba Ports Authority, Mark Figueroa, also Monica, Patrick, present here today, Mario. I think on behalf of the government of Aruba, we would like to congratulate also and recognize what you do for the tourism of Aruba. We truly appreciate it. And something that has been highlighted, excellency. And Aruba is committed to excellency, and that's something that we will continue to do in the future. So receiving this recognition means a lot to us. We are more committed to excellency, and we truly appreciate your commitment to our destination, Aruba, as well. And I would like to mention once more that the presence of the Minister of Tourism here today reaffirms our commitment to the cruise tourism industry.
Para nós, no para Aruba Ports Authority, unicamente, é para Aruba em geral, essa é dedicação que nós mais com década contribui na service excellence nos generam, vooral que está trabalhando em cruise industry. Então, seguro reconocimento de grado aqui for de Aquila, seguro algo que nós honor para tomar isso aqui. E maneira é team effort, ata lead parte aqui, mas em partnership com nós também, e seguramente team effort que está dando fruta que vou quer saca de gele.
So thank you. It means a lot to us, and Aruba is our home, but is your home also, and you are part of a bigger family in Aruba. So thank you.
Thank you.